Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. In this video, I want to show you how to look and sound like a movie star in a FaceTime call. Here are 3 settings you can adjust to enhance your audio and video. From your FaceTime call, you do want to use your finger to swipe from the top right corner down to find your FaceTime control settings. From here, select this green icon. This will bring you into your FaceTime control settings. You'll notice I have 4 options here. I can increase or decrease the background blur effect. From here, I can blur my background. I can also enhance my studio light. Let's say I'm in a dimly lit setting and I'd like to intensify my studio light to illuminate my face. I do have the center stage option, which might be different depending on your iPhone or iPad device, but I am going to turn this on. When I am moving, my iPad will now also move with me as well. Usually your audio setting will be on automatic, but you can also select standard, voice isolation, or if you would like to gather sounds from your whole room, you would want to select wide spectrum. This would be especially useful, let's say if you're FaceTiming in a group setting and you would like all voices involved in the call. Let's check out these features on an iPhone. I'm using an iPhone 16. I'm going to swipe down, go to my FaceTime control settings. I'll select voice isolation for my audio and go back to my call to turn my video on to have options for video settings. There you have it, how to enhance your audio and video settings in a FaceTime call. I hope you liked this video and I will see you in the next one.